Torstai-aamuna Voisen heräämössä meillä on täällä vieraana Bam Margeran Bami, moi!
Moi!
Ja Ryan Dunn, moi!
Moi!
Jackass-miehiä Vivala Bamista ja telkkarista tuttuja ja musavideo-ohjaajia ja suurimpia himifaneja, mitä maailmasta löytyy täällä meidän kanssa tänä aamuna. Ja Turku Sex erotiikkamessut viikonloppuna Turussa on mahdollista käydä myöskin morjastelemaan näitä jätkiä. Siellä on Bam Margeran hostama VIP-alue. Turku Sex erotiikkamessuilla, katselkaahan netistä lisää.
Nämä ajat on ainakin Ville Valon mukaan paljon suomalaisempia kuin me suomalaiset noin normaalisti. Äsken pöytälätkässä nähtiin Bamin oma maali. No kyllä, se on erittäinkin suomalaista. Tampereelta äijät on myöskin kovin tuttavallisia, mutta mustaa makkaraa ei ole tämä kaksikko koskaan vielä maistanut.
Let's bring the black sausage on.
Put some cranberry on the side for us.
Yeah. How'd you know it was cranberry?
Well, they're covering up, so you know it's going to be terrible.
You have to cover up always when you have a fine dinner. You have
Fine
to cover
dinner.
it up first.
Bam
There
is the
you go.
most Finnish American according to Ville Valo. So Bam knows cranberry.
So,
Black sausage.
I'm actually more scared of this
Gentlemen.
thick milk over here.
Meillä on
It
siis
looks-
mustaa makkaraa.
it looks
Juha
like semen.
Valvio paljastaa makkarat lautasella Ryan Dunnille ja Bam Margeralle. Nyt!
We have to. Oh man! We're
What
gonna
does
have
it
to
look
eat
like,
a black
guys?
sausage and then wash it down with that thick.
Ja
what
piimää.
looks like semen.
Can you describe the black sausage? How does it look like? How does it smell?
I'm not intimidated by it, but it's making me look bad.
But you're gonna have to eat it, guys.
Well, my plan is to let Bam take a bite first and then weigh out the odds.
I'm actually more terrified of that milk.
Yeah, that milk looks
Okay.
gnarly.
Oh
So
man.
Bam takes
Alright.
the first bite.
I
Bam
wonder
pistää
if I should even smell it first.
haarukallisen mustaa makkaraa.
Naama näyttää kummalliselta jo pelkästään kun haistetaan. Oh, come on you guys.
I'm dipping it big time in this.
Miettikää mitä
Jep,
kaikkea olette
siinä meni
nähneet
ensimmäinen mustamakkarapala Bamin
Jackassissa näiden
suuhun.
tekevän.
Dip it.
Is it good?
And?
Any good?
And Ryan,
Not so weird.
nyt molemmilla on siis mustaa makkaraa suussa, Bam Margeralla ja Ryan Dunnilla.
Ryan
Ja
likes it.
The milk is what's gonna make
nyt
me
lähtee
barf.
piimälasillinen sitten perään. Ja kato, ihan perinteinen puklauseli-oksennus tuohon
Ei
roskikseen,
hemmetti.
joka onneksi tuotiin viereen.
Ei hemmetti, täällä lentää Ryan Dunn ei pysty katsomaan, kun Bam oksentaa täällä. Hyi hemmetti.
No niin,
We're gonna all puke soon. We're gonna all puke.
Dude,
Well-
the milk is disgusting.
welcome to
Actually,
Finland guys.
The black sausage isn't so bad.
It's not that bad, but
It's
see,
that
you-
thick milk. It's like sour.
Ryan, you
try the
didn't even
milk.
taste it.
No!
Piimä ei
I just-
pudonnut.
Be a man. Try
Ryan,
the
you'll
milk.
have to do it. You'll have to do it. Ryan Dunn ottaa...
Try the
Ei.
milk.
Oh, come on you guys.
Aikuiset miehet ei pysty piimää juomaan.
What's the program you have been doing? Jackass no, huh? Don't believe it anymore if that
do
is
you
so
think?
bad.
Watching you puke was worse than that tasted.
I don't
It's like
mind
it-
the black sausage. It's just it's that milk.
It's not milk, it's yogurt.
Yeah, but it's sour.
No, the problem is I don't trust a single soul in here, so I don't want to find out later what is actually in all this shit.
See, that's not so bad.
Yeah, until you find out what they put in it.
Are you guys effing with us?
Probably.
We're happy.
Why wouldn't they? I would.
But Bam, you'll earn maximum respect if you go to Tampere and say that you're a big fan of black sausage and you'll eat it there. Everyone is like, hail Bam, he's the king.
It actually doesn't. The sausage doesn't taste bad.
Yeah, I thought that it's this here that I can't take that.
Piimä.
That
Milk.
tastes like yogurt. My problem is I've been
It's
up for
sour
3 days and
yogurt.
I'm shit tossed drunk.
I like this actually.
Ah, good.
On
Good
ne
hangover
suomalaisia.
food.
On ne suomalaisia. Nyt ne on sen todistanut, ne syö mustaa makkaraa ja ne juo bissää täällä ja ne sanoo, että ei ole krapulaa siksi, että eihän se ehdi tulla, kun ei missään vaiheessa lopeta juomista.
But everyone who's a friend of sex can come next weekend to Turku. What's happening in there?
A friend of sex?
A friend of sex.
No, we're going to Turku Sex and yeah, basically it sounded like a lot of fun and they said that they'd fly over like a few of my friends and all we really need to do is drink loads of beer, say hi, take photos and sign autographs. So I said, hell yeah.
They told me I was going to get to do a bit more than that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
What are you going to get yourself into?
a bunch of regrets.
Actually, the plan was that there was going to be as a host the Ron Jeremy.
Mm-hmm.
How you guys think that you can fill his shorts?
Well, have you ever had a conversation with him?
Ron Jeremy?
Yeah.
No, he's not going to be there because
No,
you
I
guys
know,
are there.
but I'm saying it's pretty easy to fill his shorts. He's not exactly entertaining. But unless he
Oh, yeah.
whacks you in the face with his dick. which is possible.
You can bring black sausages with you guys. Maybe that helps.
I could do some work with this. You want to bring it with us?
It's the way that it looks is what's bad.
It's the crunch
the
in it
taste
that
isn't so bad.
The thing is, it doesn't taste bad. I just don't want to find out what the hell they put in there because there's little crunchy things in there, and I'm pretty sure it's just they just take a cow and throw it through a grinder, and then this comes out.
And some blood added.
Yeah. Oh, is that why it's black? Yeah. Blood, like blood pudding.
Saatiin miehet syömään
Food
mustaa
for
makkaraa.
vampires. Great to have you guys here. We thank you for this interview. And we want to know what are you going to do tonight? It's Thursday night in Finland. Are you going to hang out with the 69 Eyes or what's going to happen? Get wasted tonight?
Yeah, I'm definitely hanging out with the 69 Eyes, but I just kind of go. I like that backstage bar. That was a cool place.
Yeah, it was good.
Because they play like all kinds of cool rock videos at like Volume 10. So it's kind of fun just looking at the TV if you ever get bored with a conversation.
And usually if you're with me, you're bored with the conversation.
No, that's why I brought you, dude. You're fun. You're fun.
Stop it.
You're fun.
Come on.
Hauskoja jätkiä on
Quit
molemmat.
beating yourself up.
Bam Margera ja Ryan Dunn. Kiitoksia. Thank you for visiting. And
Kiitos
moi moi.
ja moikka.
Moikka.
Moi moi.